and welcome back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, we're gonna play with a TikTok hairstyle that I thought was really fun, and it made a messy bun really easy, but then I decided to transform it and make it my own. So if you are someone who has trouble with a messy bun, you're gonna wanna watch because I'm gonna make it so simple. Okay, so this is day, oh my gosh, I got my hair done on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Oh my gosh, we're on day 5. I haven't gone day 5 in a really long time, but it's the perfect day to do this hairstyle that I want to do today. So I saw it on TikTok, and whenever I see anything on TikTok that I think looks fun or that I want to try, I definitely save the video so I can do it later. So this video comes from Alexa McMahon, a man. Let's watch. So cute, and as you know, I'm a huge fan of a sloppy, messy bun. I do the super half top bun all the time, which is just basically smaller, messy bun. So I do have classes on both the messy bun and the super fun half top bun. I'll make sure to link them for you if you're interested in that. But we're gonna try a new messy bun today. So all I've done with my hair is I've just brushed it, and I just added a little bit of hairspray just to give it some texture and take away a little bit of the frizz. But other than that, day 5 hair, that's what we got going on. So she just puts her hair in a ponytail, and then she splits it in two. And then she kind of grabs it, takes another rubber band, wraps it around. So far, so good. I feel like she twists these a little bit and then twists these together and then wraps it around and sticks a bobby pin in it. Oh my gosh, that's actually super cute. Well, look at that. And then I always like to bring like a few front pieces out. Let's take a look at the back. Always look at the back of your head. I got one little weird piece right there, but I could either do my whole head again or I could just like bobby pin this up. But I actually want to try this style again one more time just because this chick has a little bit longer the hair and thicker hair than I do. So I think that I have to do it just a little bit differently. So I'm going to test something out. So I've moved the ponytail a little bit farther back on my head. We're going to split it in two. We're going to wrap it. And then I'm just going to take this and I'm going to kind of make it a little more sloppy just for like the back of the head look. Then I'm going to take the front two pieces. Gonna twist them and then wrap. Bobby pin, and there you go. Let's look at the back. I think there's a little bit more going on in the back now than there was before, but I do think that if my hair was longer and thicker, that this style would work out even better. So if I put some extensions in, oh my gosh, I think it would then be super cute. But while I was doing this, I had an idea and I just kind of want to try it to see if it's gonna work. So instead of putting my hair in a ponytail first, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put my hair up like I'm gonna do a ponytail. And then I'm going to flip it forward and I'm gonna grab this like a bun and I'm going to wrap this like a ponytail. Okay. I feel like then I could do something fun with this. Twist it, and then maybe, since my hair is thinner, it's not gonna wrap all the way around. So when I twisted them, I'm now just gonna take each side. I'm not gonna go to one side, I'm gonna go to both sides and bobby pin behind. Woo, okay. Now, that was super easy and looks super cute, right? I like the high volume in the back. I feel like it's like perfect for a pool day or going to the beach. I think this is awesome. And then you could just kind of piece this out a little more. Ooh, I really like that. So I started with wanting to imitate the hairstyle from TikTok, but I kind of got inspired to do something on my own just because the texture of my hair and how long my hair is different than the girls. Think of that next time you're watching someone else do a hairstyle. Like maybe it's not going to work for you doing it exactly like that, but there's ways to like change it up and figure it out. So if you have a tough time just doing a messy bun, throwing it up, this I think would be a very easy way for you to achieve the effect of a messy bun. Ooh, me likey. I'm really excited about this. So fun. And clips are super popular right now, so you can stick a few clips in the back if you want to make it a little more trendy. But yeah, I think this is the perfect little summer hairstyle. And hey, it's getting hot, at least here in California, it's getting hot. So before you go and try the TikTok hairstyle or the hairstyle I just created, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. And to make sure your fun hairstyle stays in place, don't forget to spray it with hairspray. Oh my gosh, I just found a way to make this bun that I just did even cuter. See how there's one side and one side? You're gonna grab the two sides and twist it forward. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Is that not the cutest? So cute. And then you're just gonna take a bobby pin and you're just gonna bobby pin it forward. Just like that. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. From all angles, is it not? Is it not so cute from all angles? Oh, I just enhanced it. It's amazing. So now you have at least some variations to trying to do this bun, and do which way works for you. If you have longer, thicker hair, you might want to do it how the girl actually did it. And if your hair is thinner like mine and is about as long as mine, you might want to try how I just did it and then maybe add in that super fun thing at the end. Who knows? Or don't. Do what you want. Do what works for you. Play around with it. But oh my gosh, I'm stoked. I think this would also work for super fun half top bun. So I'll definitely be playing around with that too. But for now, we're just going to leave it at a messy bun. And the whole reason that I realized this back situation that I could twist it was because I was looking at the back of my head. So I always say it, but it's so true. Always look at the back of your head to see what's going on. So I just kind of moved it with my fingers on accident, and it kind of did this like twisting. And I was like, oh my gosh, I love it so much. And so that's how I came up with it. So always just look at the back of your head, see what's going on. The back is as important as the front because you might be not looking at it, but other people around you are going to see your whole head. So you want to make sure it looks good from all angles. And hey, if you're new to my channel, I'm Ashley. I do hair, makeup, and life hack classes weekly. So if this is something you're into, please do hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, because that's what lets you know when I upload a new class so you don't miss out on any of the fun. I'll see you soon.